Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Decathlon app. We click on settings. Here in this page you can go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above we can search about Decathlon app and you will answer. Here in this page of app info you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Here you can click on clear cache, but be attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.